in this problem, you need to be careful in the choice of u, because let's say if I chose u to be x, the derivative of u, that would be 1, right? But what would be the integral of natural log of x? You realize that you do not have an easy expression for the integral of the natural log of x. So instead, we are going to choose our u, right, to be equal to the natural log of x, right? So that the derivative of u with respect to x will be what? 1 over x, which we know, with respect to x. Then we can choose dv to be equal to x dx, right? And this implies that, after integration, it implies that v is equal to 1 over 2, right, x squared. Now, we know the formula for the integration by part. The integral of u dv is given by uv minus the integral of v du, right? Okay, so what do we know? We know that our u is natural log of x and our v is 1 over 2 x squared. Then let us write natural log of x minus, everybody minus what? That is 1 over 2, the integral of x squared. Then you have what? Du, right, which is 1 over x multiplied by dx, right? So this is just the same as 1 over 2 x squared natural log of x minus 1 over 2 x dx. Okay, then we can just do the integration. So this is just 1 over 2 x squared natural log of x minus 1 over 4, right? That is the integral of x is x squared. We drop the x, right? We drop the 2. So 1 over 4, and this is x squared plus c, right? So we have that.